Okay, so I'm Stanley Raka. I'm a Deputy Secretary with the Department of Justice and Attorney General. And I'm also the Project Director for CNSP.
My name is Ken Siminji. I am the Project Component Manager with the Department of Justice and Attorney General.
The system is about establishing what we are currently struggling with in terms of data management, information management.
Department of Justice and Attorney General is part of 3 government departments working together to roll out the Child Nutrition Social Protection Project. It is the first time that the government has, through an NEC decision, came up with this idea to have this one project rolled out by 3 departments. And I think it's also important that it's an all-of-government approach to tackling a very important national challenge.
For us, 3 government agencies operating in one project is a big ask. And data and the consistency of it coming through is not always regularly controlled or maintained. And I think with the IMES system, definitely it will be a game changer for us in that consolidating data through our systems, whether they are information systems captured in other different portals, it's about collating and pulling it together into one system.
We were rated 4th in the world of being highest stunting. I think 49+% of our children under 5 are stunted. So the 3 departments are working together on this Child Nutrition Social Protection Project.
For me, the bigger aspiration is not just about implementation arrangements for us as a project, but also seeing the impact in the wider sector programming support in building capacity and capabilities of monitoring and evaluation.
It's been a long journey of understanding how different departments work together. Of course, departments have their own ways of running the affairs of the country, but on this project, understanding of what's those different ways of doing things, but the responding to the needs of the project and being able to work together, conversing on the household and the word is an intervention in this project.
I think as a government too, we're serious about investing in monitoring and evaluation in terms of our structures. And I think infrastructure like this, utilizing the cloud systems or the larger ICT framework, for us is a bigger conversation that needs to be properly grounded.
A government project bringing this service to the household and the world. I think that is history in the making.